Okay, sweeties. Be careful and stay together.
Mom, I'm going to the park with Ben. We'll be back before dinner. Race you to the swings, Lily. No fair, Ben. Your legs are shorter, but you're faster.
Ben, wait, look! There's something on the bench. What is it? A toy? A snack?
It's a wallet. A really old-looking wallet. Whoa! Let me see. Maybe there's money inside. Ben, we shouldn't look inside. It's not ours. But how will we know who it belongs to if we don't look?
Okay, just one peek to find the owner.
Whoa! There's a lot of money in here. And an ID card.
An ID card? Let me see. Mr. Paws, 82 years old, and a photo of a sweet old cat.
We have to return it, Ben. He's probably so worried right now.
But Lily, that's a lot of money. We could buy so many toys. Ben, that's not ours. We have to give it back. It's the right thing to do. I know, but it's so much money. Think about how you'd feel if you lost your toy dinosaur. Yeah, I'd be really sad. Okay, Lily, let's find Mr. Paws. The ID says he lives on Maple Street. Let's go home and ask Mom for help. Mom! We found something at the park!
What did you find, sweetie?
A wallet! With lots of money. And it belongs to an old cat named Mr. Paws.
Oh my, let me see. Yes, this looks like a valuable wallet. Did you look inside?
Just to find the owner, Mom. We didn't take anything.
That's very responsible of you, Lily, and you too, Ben. So what do you think we should do?
His ID says he lives on Maple Street.
That's wonderful. Let's go together and return it. But first, how did you feel when you found the wallet?
I was excited, but then I felt worried. Worried that Mr. Paws was scared.
And Ben, how did you feel?
I wanted to keep the money, but then I thought about losing my toy dinosaur.
I felt bad. It means you understand how someone else feels, and you made the right choice.
Did someone say wallet and money and returning things?
Noah, we're taking the wallet back to its owner on Maple Street.
I know a Mr. Paws who lives there. He's a sweet old cat who always waves to me when I walk by.
That's him! Let's go!
Oh my, is that my wallet? I've been looking everywhere.
Yes, sir. We found it at the park. We wanted to return it to you.
Oh, you dear, kind children. That wallet has all my savings. I was going to use it for my medicine.
Your medicine? Are you sick, Mr. Paws?
I'm getting older, and I need medicine to keep me healthy. I thought I'd lost it all.
We're so glad we could return it to you, Mr. Paws.
How can I ever thank you? Let me give you a reward. I have some cookies, and I insist you stay for tea.
Cookies? I'm in! Also, Mr. Paws, I see you at your window every morning. Your garden is beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I love my flowers. They keep me happy. Here, children, have some cookies and milk. These are my special honey cookies.
Yummy! These are the best cookies ever! Thank you, Mr. Paws. Your house is so cozy.
It's been empty for too long. I don't get many visitors. You've made this old cat very happy today.
Mr. Paws, Lily and Ben are always looking for new friends. Maybe they could visit you sometimes?
Really? You would want to visit an old cat like me?
Yes, Mr. Paws. We'd love to. You can tell us stories about when you were young, and we can help you water your flowers.
This is the best day I've had in years.
You know what, Mr. Paws? My kids taught me something today. Doing the right thing isn't always easy, but it always feels good.
Mom, I feel so good right now.
That's your heart telling you that you did the right thing, sweetie.
I almost kept the money, Lily. I'm glad I didn't. Me too, Ben. Helping Mr. Paws was way better than buying toys.
You two are amazing. I'm the luckiest dad in the whole world.
We all learned something today. Kindness and honesty are the most important things.
And we made a new friend. Maybe we can visit Mr. Paws every week.
And maybe he'll share more of those honey cookies.